With the increasing need and desire for remote work, many of us have found ourselves out of the office and into our home. And while we may have had a home office, it is unlikely that it was set up and organized to promote a full day of uninterrupted work. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jacqueline Poole with Mod Assistants. We are household management and business admin experts, and on this channel, we take the years of experience from our team of personal and virtual assistants to help you within your home and your business. More than we'd like to admit, our home office spaces tend to become the catch-all for miscellaneous documents, extra books and decor, and extra computer gear that we don't have a set home for. And before you know it, your desk is covered in clutter and it's not an optional space for you to get your best work done. So today we have gathered our favorite home organization tips to help you maintain a peaceful and productive home office for your never-ending stack of papers. We have a 4-step process to get you organized and get rid of the extra junk. First things first, toss it. Let's face it, some papers are simply taking up space. Prioritize what paperwork you need a physical copy of, organize it, and then toss the rest. File it. Those important papers that you do want to keep a copy of, organize them in a color-coded storage. This could be a filing cabinet, a binder, or simply just a set of folders. But be sure to develop an organization system so you know where those important papers are when you do need them. Scan it. For those papers that you do need to keep a copy of, but you don't necessarily need a physical copy, think about scanning it so you have a digital option. You can kick it old school with a printer scanner that you'll keep in your office, or try one of the many apps there are out there. We like Tiny Scanner or the scan feature on your Apple Notes app if you are an Apple user. Go paperless. Just about every company gives you the option for paperless billing these days, so take advantage of that option. Save the trees, end your sanity by opting out of paper mail. Shelves are your friends. Use the vertical space you have within your organization system. We love this hanging folder option. It is a great way to keep papers organized, but also keep them off your desk and use the extra space you have along your walls. Label bins are a great way to get the most out of the space you have while still staying organized. If you'd like to add some decor to the office, hang some floating shelves and add in some candles, books, or small decor pieces to add a little bit of life into your space. Organize your books. Books make a great decor piece. Try organizing by genre or spine color, or if you really want a challenge, you can alphabetically organize your books. Simplify your desk space. Only put things on your desktop that you need to be handy. The less cluttered your desktop is, the easier it will be to stay focused. Use a desktop organizer to keep handy pens, pencils, paper clips, Post-it notes, chapstick, anything that you'd like to have at arm's reach. Keep it in a desktop organizer and then keep everything else in folders, drawers, or other organization systems. Avoid putting lamps directly on your desktop. This will simply take up space and might not be necessary. If you don't have adequate overhead lighting in your office space, think about having a floor lamp right by your desk to provide the light you need, but also keep your desktop decluttered. For all of these pieces that we are mentioning, we will be sure to include links in the description box below for some of our favorite options that we've found. Be smart with the space you have. If you don't have a view, make one. Creating a space that is beautiful and inspires you to work your best will go a long way. If you have pictures of your favorite vacation you ever took, blow those pictures up and hang them on your wall. Or surround yourself with souvenirs that remind you of that place. Don't be afraid to tie your office together with your favorite colors, textures, and designs. It's all about creating a space where you feel comfortable and motivated. A great way to accomplish this is with pillows, blankets, and area rugs. If you have no idea where to start, get yourself on Pinterest and gather some ideas of spaces that you like based on photos. We have a whole Pinterest board for home office decor inspiration. We'll be sure to link that in the description box below. Remember, it's your space, and what matters is what works for you. The benefit of working from home is that you can create an environment that motivates you to do your best work. So take advantage of that. Not every space, decor, setup is going to work for everyone. So take some time to think about how you would like to feel in your home office as you'll be spending most of your day there. We hope you enjoyed this video and are leaving it with some ideas for home office organization. If there are any tips and tricks that we missed that you think are really important to build a great home office space, please leave them in the comments so we can all share. Until next time, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel before you leave for more content from us in the future. And we'll see you next time.